So here we have the swan's nest. She has 9 eggs in total. You can see now she's turning her eggs so that each egg gets the right amount of rotation for development. If we take a closer look here now, you can see that the eggs are a different colour. They're really starting to change. So we have the male here outside the nest, just checking and keeping an eye out for predators. That's his job so far. So we'll take another look at these eggs, and I think they're definitely close to hatching. And here we have the first cygnet to arrive. Great news. So she spreads out her wings to protect the babies and the unhatched eggs. And here you can see her snacking on a used egg. So she checks on the first baby, and she's trying to tuck the baby under her wing. This is exciting. I can't believe the change in the cygnet already. Nature is amazing, isn't it? So you can see here we have another cygnet hatching, nearly out, but sadly there's another cygnet in the middle that didn't quite make it. So the female continues to rotate her eggs. So if I take a closer look here, I'm using my zoom lens to zoom in. You can see that another egg has cracked and another cygnet is about to come out. And if you listen closely, you'll hear the subtle chirping. So she just gets up to check on her babies to see how they're all doing. And I'm nearly sure that's the second cygnet that hatched. It's still a wee bit wobbly on it. So I'm nearly sure there's 3 cygnets here. One didn't make it, so I should say there's 2 so far, but there's more to come. So another cygnet is emerging from the egg, as you can see. Isn't that amazing? So here you can see a small robin coming to visit the nest. I don't know what he's up to, but she doesn't really notice because she's that tired. So I don't think she's that bothered, to be honest. So we have 4 4 cygnets. Well, we've 5 in total, but the one that didn't make it. So we've got 4 babies. And you can see the bigger baby is sort of snacking on the sort of newish baby from, you know, all the yolk from the egg and stuff. So yeah. And now we have a cheeky little swan here on the mummy's back. Would you believe? Only a couple of hours old. Is that the cutest or what? Oh my goodness, they are, I don't know, something else. I just love swans. There's something really, really special about them. Oh, look at this. They look so beautiful together. Oh my goodness, precious. So, after all, a few days later, we only ended up with 3 babies and 2 unhatched eggs. Now, if you look closely, you can see the 2 babies are bigger, and there's a smallish baby here that's only sort of, was only born maybe a couple of hours before this, and was quite a bit smaller. So it ended up that this little one didn't make it, sadly. So the story so far is the mummy, out of 9 eggs, the mummy ended up with 2 babies, and the 2 eggs that you see in the nest there didn't hatch, so she has 2 babies. And that's all out of 9 eggs, would you believe? But that's nature for you. So I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.